In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to upgrade to a lithium battery in your CFMOTO. This is a CFMOTO NK300. Should be basically the same process with 300SS, 450, and possibly even the 650. So this battery is exact fit for the 300NK. I'll put dimensions on it. I'll put a link in the description. Let's go ahead and get this swapped out. Here's what the battery looks like. And I'll put a link in the description down below how to get this off Amazon. And right there is the model number. Alright, so width is about 5.200. It's just under 5 1/4. The width, we're at about 2.9, just under 3 inches. And the height is 5 1/4. Even has a built-in battery indicator to tell you the charge. So we need to remove the main seat. Now if you have a 5mm Allen wrench, you can go ahead and remove these 2 screws. If you don't, there's going to be an Allen wrench underneath the rear tail seat. So we insert our key, turn it to the left, pop this loose, give it a little tap, and then underneath the tail seat is the Allen wrench that you can use to remove this seat. 2 hidden Allen screws. One right there. Now these don't come all the way off, you just loosen them all the way up and then they'll stay in the retainers. And then lift up and pull towards the back. Now there's a strap holding the battery in. Just give it a little tug towards the back. And we're going to remove the negative cable first and then the positive. You're going to need a large Phillips head screwdriver. And just go ahead and loosen up the screw. And then just out of habit, because I change so many batteries on cars, trucks, boats, SUVs, I just put a latex glove around the negative cable. Lift out the battery, there's a cable that runs right here on the corner. Just kind of pull that out of the way a little bit. Then you're going to find 2 small nuts inside those battery terminals. Just make sure those don't fall down inside there and rattle around. All right, lithium batteries are super lightweight, so let's check out the weight difference. There's the original CFMOTO. We're at 107 ounces. Lithium, 38 ounces. Once the battery's in place, reinstall the battery strap. Now we can reinstall the terminals. You want to do the positive first. Now these screws already have just a little bit of blue Loctite on them already, so they won't vibrate loose. And just whenever installing your negative on whatever it is you're working on, make sure it doesn't touch any metal. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the main seat. And these 2 screws up. And then if you use the Allen wrench for the rear seat, go ahead and install that back underneath like that. And then the rear seat, you kind of bring it in from the back side. And then we're going to kind of push towards the front and down at the same time. And you'll hear it click into place. And that's all there is to it, guys. The new lithium batteries installed should last longer and it's lighter weight. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.